Hi guys, my name is AJ and today I will be showing you guys how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Here is what it looks like. So eventually when you guys first pick this up, it's just a 2x2. You guys are like, oh, this is a piece of cake. You get your timer out, you scramble it, you start doing random turns, but then eventually you figure out you can't solve it and then you just give up and then watch a tutorial. Here, right now, you guys are watching right now, here is a tutorial of how to solve it in the beginner's method. Alright, so first, we're gonna make the white center. And guys, it doesn't matter how you solve it, it will still be solved. We gotta solve the white center, okay? First, and make sure that these pieces are correct. Now that this is white and white, these are correct. So this piece is correct. Now we find the other white pieces. There's one right here, and it's underneath here. So we just have to turn that up. And then look, we have that, but there is one problem. Guys, if you look closely to right here, these are not correct. But these are correct. So we have to get rid of this one and replace it with the other white since these are not correct and these are. Alright? So, and if I see a white and it's right here, then what I do is I am going to turn the cube so that it looks like this. So, like this. This way. And then up so that we can get rid of that. This way. Up. Side. Yeah. And then we have that solved. Now that we see that there's one right here, we turn this piece like that. This, 2 turns that way. Now that it's right here above where it's supposed to be, what we do now is we are going to do an algorithm. So we go down. Hold on, let me flip it over. Down, this way, up. Now we have our white layer solved and these pieces solved. Then what we do is we flip our cube over so that the white side is on the bottom, okay? Then we check all of the pieces, like orange and green, or yellow and red, not correct. But we can still look at the top. Yellow, blue, yellow, red, yellow, and then red, yellow, red and blue. Do any of those match orange and green? No. So we turn the cube another way. And then we correct these. And then you keep on turning. These ones are correct because there's orange and green, orange and green, orange, green. All right? And then you correct all of the other ones. And then if some of yours are like this and they're not correct, you guys can use an algorithm. So you can write it down on a piece of paper or just remember if you think you can. First, we're going to go up, side, up, this side, down, this side, down. And then we can check the cube. And then just wait a second right here, guys. I'm gonna wait till all of mine are correct, and you can do the algorithm until all of yours are correct too. All right? Remember the algorithm. Up, this side, up, this side, down, this side, up. Okay? So remember that algorithm. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm almost complete. Just wait here for a few more seconds, okay? I'm sorry, it's just not all the time you guys can get it first try. So, give me a little bit more time, guys. Oh yeah, now that I'm talking to you guys, now is the chance to tell you guys to subscribe. So if you guys like the video, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you don't like it, but it helped you solve the Rubik's Cube and by the end of this video is solved, please like and subscribe. I'm begging you. And then, alright guys, all of my pieces are solved, are correct. And so then once all of them are correct, instead of making the cube go down, we're going to make it look up. And then since my screen looks like this, I have to find a yellow, or right here. A yellow right here, or right here. And I see one right here. So, there's an algorithm that I'm going to show you guys. Up, up, up. Hold your right hand like this. Up. This way. Down. This way. Up. Side. Down. This way. And then you check the bottom until all of these pieces are solved. So, and then if there's not one right here or here and you need it to be right here or here, then just twist the cube like that. And then repeat that algorithm. So, up, side, down, other side. Up, side, down, other side. And then your cube should be solved. Bye guys! Make sure to like and subscribe. If you like the video, hit a comment and like and subscribe. Bye!